Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Shopping Guruji. Today I am reviewing Philips speaker SPA60. If you like my channel, please hit the bell icon to get new updates and subscribe to it so I can put up more reviews. The Philips SPA60 2.0 comes with forward drivers divided into two speakers, which provides good quality sound. And if you like to buy it, the short link is given below in the description. You can use this speaker with an external power supply from a mobile adapter or with a power bank of your choice. This speaker has USB 2.0 jack and a 3.5mm input jack, which can be paired with any device such as tablets, smartphones, laptop, and music systems. Through the headphone jack, priced around 700 rupees, this is the best in class speakers. The height of each speaker is around 13.5 cm and the total width of both speakers is about 17 cm. The width of each speaker is around 8.5 cm. The length of the wire is about 1.2 meters and has a volume controller attached to it. Now let's test the sound quality. I have used a zoom mic to test it. First with the power bank. Now with the external power supply from an adapter.
जिस हिसाब ना हसदी आ ओ लगदी पंजाब दी आ जिस हिसाब ना तकदी आ ओ लगदी लाहौर दी आ जिस हिसाब ना हसदी आ कुड़ी दा पता करो किहड़े पिंड दी आ किहड़े शहर दी आ लगदी लाहौर दी आ